AnnyeongBuzzers, JYP Entertainment has released an official statement warning against an impersonation scam. On April 26, the agency issued the following warning. Hello, this is JYP Entertainment. We are making an announcement because of the recent circulation of unauthorized emails impersonating our legal representative. The emails in question claim that there has been a violation of copyright and intellectual property rights, and is intended to introduce the recipient to install malware by clicking on the attached file. They have mainly been sent to personal addresses with domains like gmail.com. In the case that you have received such an email, please do not click on the attached file or link and delete it immediately. JYP Entertainment is continuously taking measures to prevent similar damage, and we ask that you take special care not to suffer damage from such an impersonation emails. Thank you. Sincerely, JYP Entertainment.